Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your Facebook app. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and we will go down, we will click here on apps, then we come to apps window here like you say, and you just go down here to looking for Facebook app, then you click here on Facebook and you come to app info here window and you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK and you click here on storage, then you come here to storage window, you click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your Facebook app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Facebook settings. So guys, see you in next video.